as soon as I pull up, they do this thing. I've talked about it before where there'll be someone, they'll be waiting at the door for me to get in range, and then they'll walk in. An elder black female just did that. I get over here to the airport, guess what? Sorry, we're out of service. And sometimes I've talked about this in the past. It was real bad in 2018. They do that like literally right before I got somewhere. These are covert employees. They'll put up sign up for about a fucking hour, until they're told to take it down. And when they have access to things, they just take it upon themselves to do certain stuff, They make all type of fucked up attacks to inconvenience folks. Why in the fuck with this airport? So, just be carefully. Fully automatic air tower. Set desired pressure using the plus and minus button. Press hose chuck onto tire valve system. Hold until you hear a beep. Tire will accurately calibrate it. Tire is not accurately calibrated. Please replace the hose and holder for next customer if tire does not inflate. When the hose chuck is connected to the valve system, press down, push the flat tire button. You see what I'm saying? Look. Lying ass bastard. I hate these motherfuckers. .32 PSI. Ain't that some fucking shit? Whew, wait. Let me get the fuck out of here. Big difference.